Hey everyone, welcome back to Native Talk. Basically, today I'm your host, and today we're exploring something straight out of science fiction. That's the VibeCode app, an AI tool that claims to turn your spoken or typed ideas into functional mobile apps in seconds. If you've been on X or Twitter for even 2 seconds, you would have seen this app by Riley. And it's quite cool, and the demos look amazing. But what is it? What is VibeCode? Imagine opening an app and typing, I need a Gen Z slang translator, and watch as the code and the UI and the navigation all assemble themselves. That's VibeCode's pitch. From idea to mobile app in seconds. They lean into the term called vibe coding. This is a term by Andre Carpati, which was coined this year. Basically, it talks about instructing AI with natural language. Their demo video, which was announced by the co-founder, which is Riley Brown on X, basically it walks through several super specific ideas. For example, a Carol counter, Airbnb for lawnmower concept. But with all of them, it's something similar whereby the AI, you prompt the AI and the AI generates code. The AI agent can even catch and fix its own errors amid builds, which is something that we saw on the video as well. And that's really cool. Currently, the app is not out. It's still being tested by a small group. I tried to get my hands into it without succeeding. But they claim to be the Canva for app building. So they also make another claim that they're the first mobile app builder. Is VibeCode really the first? So history begs to differ. Visual builders like Buildfire, Goodbaba, Jotform apps have been out there for a while. They offered no-code mobile apps since the 2010s. PDAs as well in the 1980s ran apps too. What is novel here is the natural language and the AI approach. But calling it the first ever app builder, that's a pure marketing spin. Where does it shine though? So it shines when it comes to speed and prototyping. Dream up a concept and get a working prototype in minutes. Also, iterative editing. Basically, you tweak your design with simple English prompts. Version history. You can do rollbacks of previous states, just like Git. And I've seen several ideas and apps on Twitter and Reddit whereby like people were vibe coding it. But because they're new to coding, they didn't know about Git. They would vibe code for months only to get the AI, and the AI rolls everything back or it does a quick error and they've lost everything. It's quite cool that it has the rollback ability. So for me, I think for now, it's only good enough for personal projects or quick mockups, and still a game changer even with those features. But where does it fall apart? Code quality, the AI generates junky and buggy and messy integrations and unpredictable behaviors. Maintainability is always a problem as well with vibe-coded apps. Ever heard of heading cats? Basically, that's like AI builders can feel like that sometimes because you make a small change that might ripple unpredictably. Also, opaque internals, you don't know what's happening inside. So basically, there might be security holes or data handling mistakes. And also, for anything beyond the simple crude and basic UI, you spend more and more time debugging, and AI doesn't make it easy. So that means that instead of saving time, you actually spend more time with it. Let's talk about Expo because this is a React Native talk, so we must talk about React Native here. So behind the scenes, tools like this makes it are done with Expo. Basically, Expo makes it possible. For example, the hot reloading, the live feedback, essential for AI to iterate code and immediately show changes. Also, the rich native APIs, camera, GPS notifications, they're all available without manual native code, and also the cross-platform as well, iOS, Android, web. And also, the last part I can talk about is the managed workflow. So basically, builds and deployments are handled automatically. So that's what is important about Expo. Also, the Expo team has spent a huge chunk of time trying to make it easy for these apps. By these apps, I mean these new AI builders, uh, making it easy for them to use React Native and to use Expo. Tools like the Expo router makes it even way easier. So this moves the industry. It's quite cool. I don't think it'll be taking our jobs anytime soon, but that's what people said, and people are losing their jobs now. So you never know with this stuff. But one thing I can say is that the VibeCode app is quite exciting, and I can't wait to see what it becomes in the future. But with all that power comes responsibility. So are you willing to trade deep understanding and bulletproof code for speed and accessibility? Also, will AI apps be prototypes only, or will they graduate to production? That we haven't seen yet. So that's almost the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll trying something new, keeping all the episodes 7 minutes or less. If you like this, please like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, on Spotify, follow us as well. And also feel free to comment your wildest thoughts, and see you next time. Happy coding, stay curious, do all the things. Bye.